Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Slack how to get subtasks on list. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Slack doesn't have built-in subtasks for a list, but you can organize tasks and subtasks in a few ways using Slack's features and integrations. So to do it, first head over and open up your Slack app, and then once you're inside here, navigate it to the message section where you want to subtasks the list. Once you have found your main task, then in order to subtask it, all you gotta do is just simply tap on it, and then here what you need to do is reply in thread. So you can add any of the tasks you want, or your members can reply it on your thread. So you can use checklist in messages like checkmark like this on your completed tasks, and use empty box for incomplete tasks. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.